The biggest advantage of an inflatable kayak is its portability. An inflatable kayak can easily be packed into the back seat of your sedan. Frankly, inflatable kayaks have come a long way. Today, they are real watercraft capable of gliding through lakes, exploring rivers, and even hauling gear for a day-long adventure. Whether you're after a casual cruise or want to do a tandem setup for weekend getaways, or want to get into a high-performance solo ride that slices through water like a knife, this video has you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 best inflatable kayaks suited for different level enthusiasts that are available on the market right now. From budget-friendly starter kits to advanced rigs that rival rigid boats, we'll dive into what each one offers, the pros, the limitations, and who they're best for. Just remember, all links to the products are in the description. We start with the Advanced Elements AdvancedFrame Sport, which delivers lightweight performance for casual paddlers. If you are into kayaks, you are definite to have heard about the Advanced Elements brand. They create great kayaks. And if you're seeking a lightweight portable kayak that doesn't compromise on performance, the AdvancedFrame Sport by Advanced Elements is truly a standout choice. This 10 feet 5 inch solo kayak combines portability with smart engineering. At just 26 pounds, easy to carry but still tracks well thanks to its aluminum rib reinforced in the bow and stern. That hybrid frame gives it the edge over most soft-bodied inflatables, delivering a glide that feels smooth and confident, even in light chop. The wide beam adds stability, making it beginner-friendly, while the open cockpit allows for easy entry and exit. It is especially handy for folk who want to bring along a dog or a small gear stash. Comfort is also a win. With a padded adjustable seat, the roomy leg area, you can paddle for hours without squirming or feeling uncomfortable. And setup is also pretty quick, but it's not plug and play. You'll be dealing with 7 air chambers and some valve quirks, especially if you're new to inflatables. And while the kayak includes solid durability and waterproof fabric, it lacks a drain hole, meaning pooled water stays with you unless you sponge it out manually. Still, for under $300, the AdvancedFrame Sport offers great value and performance for calm water adventures. This is the kayak to get if you want solid handling, comfort, and real kayak-like feel without breaking your back or going out of your budget. Next up is the Intex Excursion Pro K2, which delivers a truly budget-friendly tandem kayaking experience with bonus features. Do you want to hit the water with a buddy but don't want to spend a fortune? The Intex Excursion Pro K2 delivers a complete tandem kayaking package at an unbeatable price, just around $229. This is a 12 feet 7 inch kayak and it supports up to 400 pounds and can be configured for solo or tandem use. Right out of the box, you're set. It includes 2 paddles, 2 inflatable seats, a dual action pump, footrest, a pressure gauge, even fishing rod holders, and a phone or GoPro mount. It's a full starter kit. Performance-wise, it's built for calm water. High-pressure inflation gives it good rigidity, and a removable skeg improves tracking. But is it fast? Not really. Is it going to handle waves or long trips? Maybe not. But for chill paddling on lakes, it's great fun. One of its best features is the quick-drying vinyl shell. No water-soaking fabric means less cleanup and faster pack-up. It even has a drain hole, which is rare at this price point. On the downside, the paddle blades are small and basic, and the construction, while good for light use, doesn't inspire the same confidence as pricier models do. You'll want to steer clear of rocks, logs, or anything sharp. Still, for casual users or families looking for easy, affordable fun on the water, the Intex Excursion Pro K2 is a total win. This is the kayak to grab if you're new to paddling and want maximum value or just want to enjoy relaxed tandem rides without a steep investment. Our final inflatable kayak is a Sea Eagle RazorLite 393RL, which delivers high performance for speed-loving solo paddlers. If you think inflatable kayaks can compete with hardshells, the Sea Eagle RazorLite 393RL is here to prove you wrong. This isn't a casual cruiser. It's a performance-oriented, drop-stitch built speed machine for experienced solo paddlers. At 12 feet 10 inches long and just 35 pounds, it cuts through calm water like a fiberglass sea kayak, reaching speeds of up to 6 miles per hour. What's its secret? all drop stitch construction, allowing for high pressure inflation up to 10 psi. That makes the kayak rock solid. Combined with a sharp bow, flat hull, and rigid stern, it tracks beautifully and moves fast. A removable fin further adds stability. Comfort is another high point with an open cockpit that feels roomy, adjustable foam seat, and built-in footrests. You can even shift your sitting position or dangle your legs over the side. It's great for fitness paddlers or anyone doing longer day trips with minimal gear. However, this kayak does have limits. It's not made for rough conditions or white water. The open deck is vulnerable to splashing and can swamp in waves. And at just under $1,000, it's definitely a premium pick. But if you're a skilled paddler wanting speed, efficiency, and portability in a kayak that feels hardshell stiff, this one's your choice. This is the one to buy if you paddle often, love performance, and want a top-tier inflatable without the bulk. So which kayak should you get? For casual paddlers or those short on storage space, the AdvancedFrame Sport nails the perfect middle ground of portability and performance. For budget-conscious beginners or weekend tandems, the Intex Excursion Pro K2 is a feature-loaded value choice. And for solo paddlers chasing high speed and stiffness, the Sea Eagle RazorLite 393RL is a high-performance inflatable kayak choice. Each one is a superb pick for this category. So your best choice depends on how you want to paddle and where you're headed. Whichever you choose, you're getting one of the best inflatable kayaks the market has to offer right now. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe to Up On Top for more videos like this one. Also, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. And do tell us how you think we can improve. We are open to feedback always.